This video is sponsored by MagBak. What's going on, Mixing Nights? I am Nathan Mixing, and today I am making some major but minor upgrades to my Tesla Model Y, and you want to watch this video because if you own a Tesla Model 3 or Model Y, you may want this upgrade too as well. I love my Tesla Model Y. It's sleek, it's minimalistic, and as far as I know, it's the safest car on the planet. Or is it? I drive to my destinations with almost little to no problems, especially when automation takes place. My only issue is the phone placement. It's at an inconvenient spot when I glance at notifications or FaceTime with friends. Technically, I could take my eyes off the road and look at my phone, or I could just wait until I get to my destination. But we all know that's not going to happen on a consistent basis, and it's just not safe. When FaceTiming with friends, I know they definitely care about me, but at the same time, I don't think they want to be looking under my nose the whole entire time. I don't want to ruin the minimalistic thing that I have going in my car, and that's where the sponsor of this video, MagBak, comes into play. Today I'm going to review both the MagSafe case and the wireless charger for your Tesla Model 3 or Model Y to simplify your daily life. We will start with the MagSafe wireless charger. By the way, it supports any iPhone that is MagSafe. In this video, I'm going to be using the iPhone 13 Pro. A few things I want to point out is the temperature safety management. It also supports 10 watt, 7.5 watt, and also 5 watt standard charging modes, and it has 3M damage-free adhesive that allows you to safely attach your charger to your display frame in your Tesla. In the box, you're going to get a MagBak wireless charger, a 30 watt car USB-C adapter with a 5-foot USB Type-C cable. The color blends in very well and it fits the contour of my screen. It looks like it's supposed to be there, very OEM. To install, the first thing you want to do is take the alcohol pad out and clean the back of your screen. It's going to look a bit dusty back there if it's like mine. Once that dries, pull off the 3M tape and place that wireless charger on the left side of the screen. You're going to hold it for 30 seconds, then you're installed. Before you place your phone on the charger, you want to wait a full 5 minutes for full adhesion. In that time, you can already be subscribed to my channel. You can have your push notifications turned on. You can also take your little thumbs and adhere it to that like button. Like how I slid that in there? As for the wire, you can easily stuff that on the side of the center console, and it comes off pretty easy, so it's no hassle there. Plug it into the USB-C adapter, and now you have wireless charging. The MagBak MagSafe Compatible case is an even easier installation. I got the black color for a more subtle look, and it also matches my car, so it was a no-brainer. It fits perfectly, providing a 360 protection. It's grippy around my phone, and it supports wireless charging for my car mount. A perfect combination if you're gonna ask me. By the way, if you wanted to mount your phone to the wall or the fridge or just have a perfect selfie everywhere you go, it does come with a couple magnets that you can mount anywhere. In conclusion, I have grown quite fond of my MagBak. For one, it keeps my phone at a line of sight for a safer drive. I can unlock with Face ID and it's easy to reach. On top of that, it's at the perfect angle for FaceTiming or video calling. At least for me anyway, it shows my good side. My main concern is that it blends in with my Tesla Model Y for a minimalistic feel, and I still maintain that with this product. If you're looking to purchase a MagBak case or a wireless charger, make sure you look down in the description. I'm going to leave a code down there for you to utilize on your next purchase. If you like the video, make sure you smash that like button and also subscribe to the channel, and also share the video with anyone who has a Tesla who is looking for this next feature for their car. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.